Hello. Hi. Good evening. We are doing a live session again on the Moha Life with the Moha Save Our Skin series. And today, me, Dr. Manisha, would be discussing about body odor and related problems which happen in summer heat, like prickly heat and pimples and heat boils and breakouts. And we will be joined by Rajeshwari Sajdev with us very soon, and we will be discussing a lot of things that you would want to know, the natural ways to handle it at home, or some remedies, some simple quick fixes which could help you, or about products which are suitable for this season for different people, which can help with such problems such as body odor, prickly heat, and breakouts in summer. And you're all welcome. Hi Indu. Hello Kavya. Hi Rajvi. Hi Narendra. Hi Vijay. So it's really nice to see a lot of men taking interest in grooming themselves well. I think I'll have to switch off my AC because that's making a lot of sound. One second. Yeah. Am I audible now? Hello. Hi Narendra. Am I audible? Cherishma, can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Hi Nisha. Hi, good evening. Am I audible to everyone? Okay, hi. So initially was I not audible? Anyways, so I'll begin again. Good evening all. We are here to discuss on the Moha Save Our Skin series some problems that happen with skin in summer, which is prickly heat, heat boils, and body odor, and ways to handle it. Thank you so much. Hi Geetu. Thank you so much. Hi Unnati. So it's nice to see all of my students joining me today. Hi Rajeshwari. And we are going to be live with Rajeshwari, and I'm just hoping for her request, and we'll be live with you in. Hi. You will have to adjust a bit.
Yes, I am doing just that. You see me fine now?
Yes. The lights could be a bit better, but
Yeah. Is the sun a little too quickly
so
today?
anyway,
Hi.
we have been with us is Rajeshwari Sachdev, an actress, a singer, a dancer, and a very dear friend of mine, well-known person. And today we will be talking a lot about summer problems related to skin and hair. And she will be asking me questions, and that's how we take it up. You may begin.
A very good evening to you, Dr. Manisha. Thank you for
Hello.
being on Moha Seva Skin and solving so many of our summer concerns. Um, Let me take this opportunity of introducing you, Dr. Manisha. Again, I'll
Thank
start
you.
with saying a very dear friend, a very fantastic, conscientious doctor who is available to her patients anytime. And I only want an opportunity to thank you for that whenever I get the chance. You have been a practitioner of Ayurveda for the last 20 years. That's quite a bit of experience. So it will be really nice to get expert advice from you as regards summer and its problems. This is here to stay, and it's going to be a good long 2 months. And how much as we crib about it, we need to deal with it. And what better way than to tackle it in a holistic fashion, the Ayurveda way of life. I'm going to take 2 minutes of your time before I allow you to speak, doctor. The
Sure.
first thing, because this is something that comes across from many people, that I come from a family where I'm half South Indian, so Ayurvedic tonics and Ayurvedic medicines have been quite a staple since childhood. So I know about the concepts, and I'm sure many people know that Ayurveda deals with the individual. It's not one size that fits all. Yeah. So each individual is treated as one individual and given medications accordingly. So when we say that we want to deal with it, the concerns that we have, I'm sure every individual is going to have his own concerns in spite of the problem sounding same. So I am sure you will throw a lot of light on these things and help us through the summers. So once again, I
Yes,
welcome
definitely.
you.
We will.
We
Yes,
we
thank you
will
so
begin.
much.
We
Yes,
will
let's begin.
begin with the first thing. The first thing, excessive perspiration.
Before we begin to perspiration, let me start with a little Ayurvedic gyan on what
Yes,
happens to the body in summer.
yes, that would be
We'll take
nice.
step by step.
Yep.
Ayurveda basically is on three elements, which is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Loosely translated, Vata is air, Pitta is heat, and Kapha is something which is moist and nourishing. So Vata is responsible for all the dynamic movements in my body. I'm speaking, I'm looking at you, I'm thinking, my thought process, and whatever I do physically. Pitta is the metabolism, and Kapha is the water element which keeps my body stable and nourished.
Okay.
That nourishing element is my Kapha. Now, what happens in summer? Thanks to the sun god and its blessings and too much of heat, um, the entire earth is dehydrated, which is 70% water. So there is also this shloka in Ayurveda which says Yat Pinde Tat Brahman. So like the earth, so are we. So if earth is 70% water, so are we 65 to 70% water. So the moment it becomes very hot, the summer is very hot, the earth itself is dehydrated and we also start losing that kapha, the moist element in our body, and we are dry,
Right.
dehydrated. On top of it, we are also heated up. There's a thing called we are what do you call summer heat. It gets to you.
Yes, it
So
does.
this happens during summer. So in summer, you will see if you step out in scorching sun, or if you're working in a place where there is no air, like you're cooking in the kitchen, you will see a lot of sweat. Sweat glands are activated.
Yes.
You will see a lot of oil on your face, and obviously these are basic things. Apart from that, summer will also bring low digestion, a little weak immunity, which you will
Okay.
see right now with the current condition. Many people are
Yes.
getting affected. There's also one element which I need to bring to notice to everybody is when it happens during summer, we because of low immunity, if you have cold, it will run longer than winter season. So if you can get well in 3-4 days, it will take around 7 to 10 days. So this is mota what happens in summer. So because of all these things together, our skin is affected more. The heat affects so much that you might break out into prickly heat and into pimples. And now coming to perspiration. Why do we perspire? So body has, it's a beautifully engineered structure that we are blessed with. It naturally cools itself.
Yes.
So if you're very hot, sweat glands, we have around 2 to 5 millions of sweat glands top to bottom,
Really?
even on my palms and feet. Yes. So they are overworking to bring the core body temperature to normal, which is 35 degree centigrade. And we perspire to keep our body cool if the temperature outside is very, very hot, or if there is a lot of humidity. So yes, we do perspire, and it is a natural thing to happen. You may ask more.
Yes. So now we have understood that we need to perspire. It's very important. But mankind is forever trying to stop the excessive sweating and perspiration by the use of so many other things up in the market that you get. And what are the natural ways? I would like to ask you, because I understand that you need to perspire, but there is a limit to it. Now, as actors, for example, if I keep perspiring, my takes would never get done. I would keep rushing back to go and take a shower. So what is the best thing to do naturally? We know there are deodorants and anti-perspiration deodorants, but what is a natural way of doing it?
Okay. Apart from keeping the body cool, sweat has other functions too. It also detoxifies the body.
Yes.
And generally, people who are perspiring more would have some sort of problems. They could be Pitta Pradhan people. I have told about what Pitta Kapha. So these are three kind of personalities too. So Pitta dominant people will sweat. Sweating is not a problem per se. The body odor is a problem.
Yes.
Sweating is okay. Sweating is fine. We sweat
Not
on our
so.
matha, but we're not stinking there. So we have two kinds of sweat glands. If I could add a little bit of science to it. So one, we are born with, babies also have, babies sweat, but they don't
Yes.
stink. But as we hit puberty, there are these sweat glands along with which release hormones. So basically, body odor was meant for attraction at some point in time, which we are trying to mask. Body odors are natural thing in which you find a partner who suits you the best. Apart from visible things, our nose also work in finding a suitable partner. We will discuss it
This
at length
conversation is
someday.
becoming very interesting, doctor.
No,
Yes.
but we will cut it at that. So now, why do we have specific body odor? Specific body odor. So I'm sweating. Armpits have a lot of sweat glands, and that is a place you have a lot of odor. That also harbors some nice bacteria, which is also present on our skin from top to bottom. They are friendly bacteria. So this sweat is like a food to this bacteria. They eat a lot and they release certain gases which are noxious to us. They are very happy with it. So that gassy smell is what bothers people. The other thing is some people have very poor digestion. So people with compromised digestion will also have bad body odor when they sweat. Third, people who will have body odor are people who are a little obese, who have more of fat. So they also tend to have a little peculiar body odor. Basically, and people who have diet which are rich either in onion, garlic, sulfur high compounds, or cruciferous vegetables. आपके हो गए broccoli, which is very
Okay.
fashionable. Brussels sprout, again, which is not Indian, but we eat, and cabbage, cauliflower, to name a few. So, इसमें आप थोड़ा सा वो भी डाल दीजिए, mustard भी डाल दीजिए. So all these are sulfur producing compounds. So
All
people
right.
who consume this a lot might end up smelling like rotten eggs. So that is the deterrent, not the sweat per se, but the odor which we, and every person will come up with a different odor. Their bacteria will provide with different odor, and that odor is repulse. So this
So,
is the premise of odor.
we
Now,
basically come down to the fact that at the end of it all, we need to follow a healthy, balanced way of life when it comes to our food habits, our sleep habits, our exercise routines. Basically, we need to try and balance all these factors into our life for us
yes,
to even tackle something called bad body odor, of course, is bad, and excessive perspiration.
yes. Now how to handle it? So easy
Yes,
ways, hygiene. Now have bath twice in a day, at least in summers.
yes,
Must.
must.
And have bath with very gentle soaps which have anti. Now I was talking about bacteria. So what we need to do is reduce the bacterial population. So what can we do? We can use things like neem, aloe, tulsi, or a soap which has all these things, and have bath twice a day. And the soap should also be nourishing and not drying. So Moha herbal soaps,
Yes,
which we have,
yes.
are also rich. They have aloe, tulsi, neem, and all of it. So if you want to have incorporate a good product in your daily hygiene or bathing ritual, use Moha soaps is what I recommend.
I'm listing it
Have
out.
soap. Yeah, please list it down.
Moha soaps.
Apart from that, you are using soap, that is fine. Second, add a little vinegar to your bathing water. So
Oh,
that vinegar actually will bring down the pH of the body. So it will make it more acidic. So these bacteria
that's
don't
interesting.
survive in the acidic pH.
Okay.
So you will get rid of bacteria, so less body odor. अब और क्या कर सकते हैं आप? नहाने के बाद खूब सारा rose water sprinkle all over your body. So that will reduce perspiration. See, there are two problems. One is body odor, so we use deodorant. One is perspiration, which is excessive sweating, so we use antiperspirants.
Ah,
So
yes.
these two categories are yes.
But are these
So you can use,
antiperspirants safe to use? Don't they clog up all those same sweat glands? Won't they do that? I mean, that's a concern. Or is that just a myth?
It does sort of clog the pores, sweat glands, but your sweating continues. So it is not very harmful per se, but you should not be using so many times
Or maybe
unless
keep
you are
washing
stepping
yourself.
out in
Yeah.
humidity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're working, see the hours where it is excessively hot and humid is from 12 to 4. So if अगर आपको इस टाइम पे बाहर निकलना है, please use a antiperspirant because you might be sweating more. Otherwise, be
Yeah.
happy with a deodorant. That works wonders. You
That
can
works.
perspire, but you will not emanate body. Everything has its problems, but use it with limited use is good. There's no problem with that. Naturally, you want to get rid of it, so you can use ethers. So
Yes.
perfumes are good. Yes, natural
Perfumes are good.
perfumes, natural oil, lavender oil you can add to bathing water, rosemary oil you can add to bathing water. So these are also good to get rid of body odor.
Yes, I remember when we were children and my mother used to wear this mogre ka gajra in her hair. So we used to just pluck out a few, put them in our slips to have this nice
See, what
feeling,
happens,
Yes.
yeah, Ayurveda mein there's every season has regimen. So Ayurveda ka summer regimen includes, apart from keeping yourself hydrated, having more fluids in your diet, have more juices, नारियल पानी, शरबत, खजूर से बने हुए शरबत हो, या there's something called chincha panak. Chincha is tamarind with a little good, and you have to drink it so that you feel energetic, you have enough sugar in your body, and you are
Can you
hydrated.
just say that again? That's a nice one. I think all of us would like to know it. What's that again
So
called?
chincha panak is basically you soak a little, say 2-3 nice tamarinds,
Okay.
ripe tamarinds in
Okay.
water.
Okay.
Chan lo, add some jaggery to it, mix water to this, add a little bit of elaichi powder and a pepper powder, pinch of it, and have a
Okay.
glass of it whenever you are hungry or thirsty. So
This
that is
sounds
hydrating.
yum.
It is very tasty.
Yeah.
You must make it sometime. It's like ampana. Ampanas are very common, but this tamarind thing people don't use very
Somebody's
often.
asking here, Stark05, hi. She's asking what is
Hi.
tamarind? Imli.
टैमरिंड इज इमली, इमली का
हाँ.
शरबत जो मैं बता रही हूँ वो उसको चिंचा इज बेसिकली संस्कृत नेम फॉर इमली.
How are you, Rajeshwari ma'am? Just a second, doctor. I think there's some questions that I might have missed on the same. To all of you who are saying hello, a big hi. We have Dr. Manisha from Charak Pharma in Moha Seva Skin. She's helping us beat this summer with all her useful tips and all the Moha products that will help us beat the summer. Hi, Monica 8395. Hi. ठीक है जी, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. There are some people who are really listening. Itra is always better. Suruchi ji कह रही हैं.
Yes, it is better.
Yes.
You always smell good, and that's what I was telling. Raj just mentioned कि गजरा लगाते हैं. So summer regimen में there is a mention कि if you have a lot of heat problem, so either you can wear garlands of mogra or you can just put some flowers in your head so that you smell nice. So smelling nice has always been a part of your daily routine. We have forgotten about it. We have taken shortcuts.
Men also used to wear flowers in their neck during summers. We read about it.
It's very normal. We have just become more civilized. So
What's
अभी कोई ऐसे
uncivilized
पहन के
about?
घूमे तो it's only marriage
I know.
and not other times.
Yes. डॉक्टर, आई थिंक जो सबसे बड़ा इशू एक हमारे सामने आता है वो है बच्चों को लेकर, स्पेशली बड़ों को भी होता है. दैट्स समथिंग कॉल्ड prickly heat.
Yes.
It's begun to get out its tentacles in all the places. My son's already saying mama yahan, mama wahan. तो इसके लिए क्या करें? Prickly heat, it's a huge problem.
Yes, it is. Prickly heat happens because kids, they keep on playing, they keep on sweating, and with the sweat, a lot of dirt finds place to settle on. They clog the pores, and then bacteria को वहाँ रहने की जगह मिल जाती है, and they cause rashes and all that. So it is heat, sweat, oil, dirt का mixture, and it causes a lot of itching.
So of course there are a whole lot of prickly heat powders in the market. But मुझे बताइए क्या ये वक्त सही है अलग अलग तरह के उपकरण ट्राई करने का? बच्चों पर भी कूलिंग कोई
Yes,
उपटन
yes.
होंगे जो आप बता सकती हैं?
Best is for such kids, you get some neem powder, mix it with
Mm-hmm.
aloe gel.
Okay.
Moha aloe gel we have. It has aloe vera, it has rose, it has cucumber. All are cooling. One
Okay.
part about aloe people do not know, it has 6 kind of antiseptic, including salicylic acid. So it is very soothing, it is cooling, it is hydrating, and it reduces bacterial growth. उसमें आप नीम डाल दो, make a paste, and नहाने के 5 मिनट पहले आप बच्चे को लगा के, then you give him a bath, or you can just apply aloe gel and it will soothe your rashes.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, ensure that you're properly dried when you are stepping out of the bathroom. You can pat dry and spit some rose water on your back where you have this kind of rashes very often. Prickly heat happens because you are overproducing oil and sweat. So if you add some rose water or rose mist, which Moha also have, so that tightens the pores, so sweating come ho jata. So you are cooled also and you will not have rashes.
We
That
have
can be done.
we have Anjuman Saxena, one of our followers here, who's saying, "Let's see some men wearing flowers now."
Will come.
Sure.
I
We have
do
given the
think it is
suggestion.
far away. Yeah.
हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए डॉक्टर.
Let's see. I'm not suggesting because I don't know. I am just telling it was a ritual for summer regimen.
मतलब
किसी जमाने में
जब जाते
as
हैं
per I.
वेकेशंस पे तो सब ऐसे कलरफुल शर्ट्स और हैट्स और फ्लावर्स पहन के तो घूमते ही है ना वैसे, बट वो समर मोड होता है,
See,
वेकेशन मोड.
हाँ.
हाँ,
See,
यहाँ नहीं
if you
करेंगे.
go to all those beaches, don't they give you all those garlands of what are those flowers? Oh, yellow, white. I'm
हाँ,
forgetting the name.
don't ask me.
So they smell
Yeah,
good.
they
Huh.
smell good.
So
Yes.
if men wear everywhere, it's just they are not doing it right now because it's not in fashion, and we'll not discuss it further.
अच्छा डॉक्टर, अब हम आते हैं एक और बहुत इश्यू, क्योंकि हम लोग पर्सपिरेशन प्रिकली हीट को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो एक बात और जो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, somebody like me who doesn't really sweat, so I really am not, it's not a big concern for me.
Lucky.
Lucky
So,
me,
yeah.
lucky me. पर पता है क्या, there's something called your scalp perspiring. So when we are at work with all those wigs and those hair products and everything, I can actually feel, something trickling down my hair. What do you do about your scalp?
Okay. So scalp again. I'll go back to aloe vera. Whenever you at least wash your hair 3 times in a week because we need to. Otherwise, because of sweat, you will get a lot of dandruff and boils in the head too. So heat boils do not happen only on the back; they will happen on your scalp, and you will find it very difficult to comb. So washing, use this again. I'll suggest use something which is herbal origin. Use something which is a very clear shampoo to wash your hair. Use a milder shampoo. You and see that the products have aloe vera or bhringraj or amla in your shampoo. We also Moha also has sulfate free shampoo we have just launched, and this is excellent for wash thrice in a day, especially for colored hair. So 3 बार हफ्ते में आप बाल अच्छी तरह scalp रगड़ के धोइए, and ensure that you are applying oil once in a week to the scalp so that it does not overproduce oil, because sweat glands activated more oil. And if possible, wear a hair mask. It could be henna hair mask, it could be aloe vera hair mask. Pamper yourself, cool your head. Head also needs to be cooled so that your thoughts are more creative and your sweat glands are at peace. They don't need to produce a lot to cool yourself down. So this can be done.
Doctor, we need to take one question. Pulikaruna is asking, her child is facing heat only in summer and his nose is bleeding. What does he do?
Okay. Nosebleeds are very common in summer, which happens due to heat. So first of all, ensure that he's not having too much of salty, sour and spicy food in his diet. ये पहली चीज बंद करनी है. Whenever he has nosebleed, apply an ice pack here. One of the best ways to get rid of this nosebleed is एक herb है vasa, adulsa. You can give just a few spoons of vasa. You can find vasa powder in the market. Just boil it, make tea and give with honey. एक चम्मच 3 बार. It immediately stops nosebleed. you can actually put that in the nostril also, or you can soak cotton in that Vasa syrup you have made, kada you have made, and just put it around the nose. It will
Like
stop
one,
nosebleed.
it's
That being first,
inside the nose,
you
or
can
it should
just
be in
put.
the.
I will not tell you because people don't know how to put it. You can just put it around the nostril. That will stop. Or you can put on top of the nostril. That will also stop.
Oh,
So
great.
that is one of the best things you can do. Yes. And apply ice pack and ensure that he's cooled down. आप देखें कि उसका खाना पीना कैसा चल रहा है. So that needs to be done.
One more question on the same. Oh no, Dr. Aarti Joshi, we'll just come back to the acne question. We will come back to the face. We'll just finish with this first. Sonal Shah is asking, does Moha have hair mask?
We have a wonderful product. I love my aloe vera gel. I call it a magic product, and you can mix anything in that aloe vera gel and make a mask out of it. It suits all hair types. So if you have dry hair, you can take aloe vera, a little bit of honey, and a little curd, and just mix it, whip it, and apply on your hair. It's a good mask. If you have very oily hair, aloe vera gel with a little nimbu ras will make an amazing mask. For a pitta constitution, which is patle bal, which are a little brownish and prone to premature graying. So aloe vera, henna, and a little hibiscus flower will make an excellent mask. So you can use, we don't have ready-made mask. You will have to work a little bit. But now, why don't we utilize our Saturdays, Sundays to look pretty? Just a little bit of work.
Now, I think, Doctor, we should move to the face. And Dr. Aarti Joshi says acne only during summer. So
yeah,
the skin erupts. The skin really erupts during summer. So I woke up this morning with a little thing like a bindi here. So you just kind of wake up with sudden eruptions out of nowhere. So how do you help?
Before I answer this question, I want to know, Rajeshwari, what is your skincare routine in summers?
You won't be very happy to know, but there are days that I behave myself and I drink water. Yes, you know that I don't drink enough water, but there are days that I remember, then I try to compensate it with some chas. This is my diet, basically, I'm just saying, with chas and some naril pani. And इस बहाने मुझे लगता है कि चलो कुछ पानी तो अंदर गया. तो ये तो अच्छी बात नहीं रही, but overall my skin routine is very simple. जो कि मैं रोज कोशिश करती हूँ हफ्ते में 5 दिन तो follow करूँ. I wake up, I wash my face with a very gentle face wash, and I use a moisturizer. And I've started using sunscreen for a few months now, very religiously. Yeah, so I definitely use that in the morning, and in the night I use a night cream. This is and बीच में अगर मुझे मौका लगे तो एक आध facial भी ले लेती हूँ. I've become a good girl now.
Yeah. So people who have acne, so what skin hygiene is very important. So you in summers. As I have told you, we sweat a lot. Sweat glands also have oil glands. They produce a lot of oil, and we do a lot of wrong routines in the day. So first thing is cleanse your face, like she said, with a gentle, I would say add herbal to it. You can have cucumber, rose, neem kind of face wash. Moha has a wonderful face wash. In fact, if people who know me previously know that I'm a Besan Chandan girl for the longest period of time. But I have switched myself to Moha face wash and it works wonders. It is really gentle and amazing, and it does not make your skin dry. So that's not endorsing the product. That's just suggesting that it is one of the good products to be used for skin. So cleanse your face.
Could you repeat that product's name?
Moha Herbal Face Wash.
Okay, Herbal Face Wash. I'm taking my notes.
Yes, wash your face. Second thing, it is up to you whether you tone or not. Don't tone. Toning is subjective. Some people have nice tight pores.
If I use toner, my skin becomes very dry. The toner.
Yeah. So it is not required, but moisturization. This is what people make a mistake during summers. Acne hota kyun hai? Your body. I have just told you, you are dry and dehydrated. So body wants to make the skin hydrated. You're not drinking enough water. So it starts producing more oil. What is a moisturizer? Just to add moisture, some water element in your skin. So apply a moisturizer. A nice herbal moisturizer will do wonders to your skin. And ensure that you are exfoliating with a scrub. You can use any herbal scrub which has nutmeg, a little bit of vitamin C, salicylic acid, which is normally present in aloe, or orange oil. So use that herbal face scrub. Wash your face with that scrub once a week. Even acne prone skin can apply scrub once a week. If you're not interested in a bazaar ka product, you can just take oatmeal, a little bit of दूध, ओट का पाउडर, दूध एंड एलोवेरा जेल, उसको मिक्स करके उसका स्क्रब बनाए और हफ्ते में एक बार लगाए. इट विल सूद योर पिंपल्स and apply. If pimples are erupting very often, the quick fix is थोड़ा सा nutmeg powder दूध में घिस के spot treatment कर लीजिए. It will start settling down.
Oh.
But now cool yourself within. आप देखें कि you are sleeping well, you are well nourished, and you are well hydrated.
और आम कितने खाने चाहिए? आम कितने खाने चाहिए एक दिन में?
Okay, season का आम है. Everything should be in proportion. So आम is as per Ayurved. उससे अगर आपको वजन बढ़ाना है तो प्लीज आम रोज खाएं, वरना हफ्ते में 2-3 बार आम is good. And आम is yet to arrive. Start having आम after 15th of April, not before that.
Okay.
That is the proper season for आम. So आम खा लीजिए. आम, जब आम की बात निकली है तो ripe mango को थोड़ा सा दूध में लेके आप पिंपल्स पे लगा दें तो इट सेटल्स डाउन पिंपल्स. इट इज अ गुड फेस पैक.
जहर का तोड़ जहर वैसा है मतलब
जहर का तोड़ जहर.
लेकिन आप एक बात कह रही थी बेसन को लेकर के, मुझे ऐसा कुछ लगने लगा है कि जैसे हम बच्चे जाते हैं ना किचन में और मम्मी ने बनाया होता है, हम कहते हैं ये कौन खाएगा, ये मुझे पसंद नहीं, वो कौन खाएगा, ये मुझे पसंद नहीं. तो शायद जो किचन का सामान भी है वो भी आपकी शक्ल को देखकर सोच रहा होगा कि ये चेहरा मुझे पसंद नहीं, मैं इस पे काम नहीं करूंगा. मतलब बेसन सब लगाते हैं, किसी को कुछ नहीं होता, और उपटन में यूज होता है, और बेसन को मैं छुआ भी दूं अपने चेहरे पे तो मेरे चेहरे पे रैशेस हो जाती है. सो बेसन सेज नॉट फॉर यू. तो ऐसा क्यों होगा? ऐसा
so that is because okay, besan is suitable for oily skin. As we are aging,
yes, thanks for the reminder.
That's a reminder. As we are aging, our skin gets a little dry, oil production reduces. Yes. We sweat also less as we age. So since we have less of oil, if you are just putting besan, don't do that. You can mix it with a little milk or malai. Then you can use it. Maybe then it will not cause rashes. But apart from that, you can be allergic to anything at any point in time. So you may not take it. It's fine. Say somebody asking several hair fall issue in Bangalore.
Severe, yeah.
The moment I step out of Bangalore, the hair fall stops. How to deal with it?
Okay.
So it could be hard water. There are ways to take care of it. You don't worry. You just use shampoo. You wash it with water. Your final rinse should be with black tea. आप थोड़ा चाय उबाल लें, and once you're done with washing, just rinse your hair with black tea. Your hair fall will stop. Second thing I would recommend is start using some good herbal oil. I recommend Moha 5-in-1 hair oil. You can try it. It is excellent for your hair growth, hair fall, and also improving quality of your hair. So sometimes hard water does cause problems. You just have to deal with it the way I'm telling you. Just have a last rinse with good things.
Doctor, I seem to have quite a few questions, but I can see there are many questions that have come up. So we'll deal with everybody else's questions first.
Yeah, please.
Tushar Trimurti says, in my cheek, I have some whiteness. What does that mean? Do you mean, Tushar, that you have some white patches on your face? I suppose that's what he's saying.
Tushar, you know what? I can help you. I am also available for online consultations on drcharak@charak.com. You can directly send me your pictures and reports, because right now I don't know what yours. It could be a fungal infection. It could just be allergy. But I need to talk with you. So why don't we get in touch online on drcharak@charak.com anytime, 11 to 4 p.m. Is it okay with you?
I suppose so. Sonali is asking, my son is a teenager now and he has little watery bubbles on his face. Please guide.
It could be a viral problem. Little watery, whether he's going through hormonal problems, this could be also molluscum. These are viral infections which can happen. So you can meet a dermat once and get his diagnosis done, and maybe I can help you later. Till that time, you can keep on applying aloe vera gel. It is a good antiviral. It will cool it down also and reduce itching.
A very good question, a very pertinent question. Penupriti, I hope I'm saying your name right. Otherwise, my facial skin looks smooth from a distance, but coming closer, I see it has too many open pores. Facials also do not get the glow and shine. What can be done? I hear you. Yes.
So there are two things. Don't let people come very close to you to examine your skin. That would be the first
These
thing.
days, come
Second,
on.
second thing is, as I've just told, stick to a nice skin routine. For you, with the open pores, toning is a must. Toning is not just cleansing dirt, it also tightens your pores. You can use a rose mist. Moha has a rose mist, or you can use aloe vera gel depending on your skin type. If it is a very oily skin, use a rose mist. If it is a dry or combination skin, use aloe vera gel as a toner. Use a herbal cleanser and moisturize your skin. Apply multani mitti and aloe vera pack once to twice per week to tighten your pores. Then it has to, and give collagen to it. Aloe vera stimulates collagen production. So you need to apply that and eat good high protein diet so that आपका collagen रहे, so that your face looks plumped up.
Dr. Narendra,
Badam is a good way to go.
बादाम बादाम ना खाने से या
Badam.
रगड़ने से?
Yeah. खाने रगड़ो भी पर खा लो. 4 बादाम daily is a must.
Okay. नरेंद्र 5120 पूछ रहे हैं, is lemon good for skin in summers?
Yes. Lemon actually is amazing for skin in summers. If you have oily skin, you can directly apply mat karo, because if you apply lemon juice and step out in the sun, it will cause pigmentation. So aloe vera and lemon juice usko mix karo, face pe lagao, thodi der rehne do, it will take away the tan, it will reduce the blemishes. You can also use lemon juice under your armpit so that you don't have body odor. It takes away body odor.
You can also squeeze it in your bath water, I suppose.
Yes, you can. You must actually.
तुषार त्रिमूर्ति ने फिर पूछा है, after washing face, cheek skin looks white and has a spot layer. Tushar, I think the best thing would be, so that you get guided right, you should write to her at the email address that she mentioned, and she will definitely help you. Right, doctor?
I will, for sure.
Doctor, before we wind up, just a quick brief thing. You should just finish on diet, I think. Can you just suggest some good skin coolers? You come back, आप आते हैं गर्मी से और घर आते ही आप कुछ ठंडा ठंडा पानी पी लेते हैं, या वो सही है गलत है, या फिर उसकी जगह हम क्या ले सकते हैं? Something nice, okay. Something refreshing that can pep us up immediately.
Okay. This is there ki we are so exhausted and fatigued and tired during summers. First thing is, if people get a chance, sleep in the afternoon for half an hour. Not in the office, but if you are at home, right now many people are working from home, so have that half an hour, 1 hour sleep, because our days are longer. Second thing, आप अगर बाहर धूप से घर आ रहे हैं, तो immediately don't have anything chilled, aerated, refrigerated. It is just going to douse down your digestive fire. आपको भूख कम लगेगी. In return, you will eat less. In return, you will always be exhausted because you are lacking nutrients. So what are the things you can shift to? Simple is, watermelon juices are great. 2-4 खजूर आप डेली रात को सोक करके रख दे, and make it blend it in your blender with a little rose syrup. It will make a nice sharbat. These are very refreshing to have in summers. तो इसको हम खजूर मंथ कहते हैं. You can add raisins if you want. You can add. That's a lot of things to do. So you can buy ready-made kokum sharbat and have kokum sharbat in the day. Or जब आप बाहर निकले, just put 1 jar of water with lot of cucumber slices in the fridge. Once you come back, have it. That is very refreshing, and it is a flavored water. Tarawat ek word hai ki you feel fresh immediately. These things will help you feeling fresher in summers. Avoid coffee, avoid alcohol. ये मैं आयुर्वेद बता रही हूँ. Alcohol बिल्कुल नहीं खाना. बहुत exercise नहीं करनी है. भैंस का दूध is recommended during summers. This is something very interesting. Because भैंस का दूध has high fat content, and this time, as I told you, बदन में मॉइस्चर कम होता है, फैट कम होता है. But this also has to be had at night because summers में sleeps are disturbed. So half a cup of ठंडा भैंस का दूध is good for sleep and for digestion and for health and for good skin.
पहली बार किसी ने ये नहीं कहा कि रात को गर्म दूध में हल्दी डालकर पियो और सो जाओ. This
मैं
sounds
कह रही हूँ
good.
ठंडा दूध पियो, but not ice cube वाला. ठंडा भैंस का दूध is recommended.
Just one of the last few questions that I think we'll be able to take, doctor. How to deal with acne post scars? Acha, the scars that is post acne and dark spots, pigmentation.
See, this needs exfoliation. Any scar will take, the skin renews in 6 months to 1 year. So if there is a scar, you can just lighten it. So lightening ways, aloe vera is a beautiful lightener. आप उसमें हल्दी मिला के लगा सकते हो, आप उसमें थोड़ा लेमन मिला के लगा सकते हो on a daily, and do it daily. Don't do it one day and then expect wonders to happen. If you are diligent, you will get results. If you are doing it because आज मैंने बोला and tomorrow you don't do it, it will not happen. So do it for a month. Your blemishes will reduce and you can just hide it with a nice talcum powder or compact, which usually I do.
A very important question. How do we order Moha products?
You can directly go to the website www.moha.co.in and you can ask for products there. We are also available on Amazon, so you can order from there. So there are many ways. You just have to write MOHA on the search bar and you will get Moha products.
Thank you so much, doctor. I think we can wind up the session if there's a final something that you want to add.
Somebody is asking how many mangoes one should eat in a day. It is all your appetite. You should drink water as per your appetite. You should have mangoes. 1 mango per day is what I suggest. If it is an Alfonso, if it is that small jo choose ke khate hain, which is 2 also is good. But then don't go overboard because then you will have heat boils. Mango garam fruit hai. It is not a thanda fruit. So be careful if you have acidity. आप कम ही खाएं.
Priyanka Gupta पूछ रही हैं, in cold milk can we mix gulkand and have it?
Yes, definitely, but gulkand is to be had in the morning.
डॉक्टर आरती जोशी, कोविड टाइम्स आइस कैसे यूज करें? उन्होंने कहा आइस मत डालिए, आप ठंडा दूध पी सकते हैं रात में अगर आपका गला ठीक है, सब ठीक है और आपको तकलीफ नहीं होती.
मैं मना कर रही हूँ. आइस बिल्कुल यूज करें. आइस इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड. आइस इज वेरी बैड फॉर डाइजेशन. आइस आप फेस पे लगा ले ड्यूरिंग कोविड टाइम्स. अगर आपको पीना है ठंडा दूध इज फॉर नेचुरल पीपल. अगर आप कोविड टाइम्स में आपको टेंशन है तो आप अपना दूध हल्दी डाल के ही पीजिए. Not an issue at all. I'm telling you, this is recommended and it is for healthy people. So if you have cold and if you're worried, you can add turmeric to your gai ka doodh and have it. Or if you are having bhains ka doodh, you add some pepper or elaichi to it for flavor. So there is no hard and fast rule, but don't have sugar ice cubes anytime in the day during summers. Not recommended.
Rani is asking, ma'am, what is the treatment for melasma? Is that how you say it, doctor? Melasma in Ayurveda?
Yeah, melasma.
Melasma.
Yeah. So melasma is a hormonal condition.
Oh.
You will have to find out what is the reason for your melasma. Are you suffering from PCOS? Have you had a baby? So a trigger in hormones, a little imbalance in hormones causes it. So we have to correct the cause. And for the moment, if you want to apply something, Charak Pharma has nice even shade cream which you can try for melasma. It works nice. It is all natural.
What is it called, doctor?
Even shade. EVENSHADE. Yeah.
I hope, Rani, you have noted that. डॉक्टर, इसके अलावा हमारी डाइट हो गई, हमें क्या क्या किचन से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, हमने वो डिस्कस कर लिया. कौन सी चीजें हैं जो मोहा हमें दे सकता है वो हमें पता लग गया. एक्सरसाइज रूटीन के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे, क्योंकि आप खुद योगा प्रैक्टिस करती हैं बहुत रिलीजियसली, और मैं ये भी जानती हूँ कि everyone else who is interested in knowing how to beat the summers with yoga, how to take care of your hair and keep your skin glowing in the summers, tomorrow at 10 o'clock we have Vidya Malavade, who will be taking you down on this trip. And she is wonderful. I don't know how she does what she does. She's so beautiful. In the Moha Seva Skin series, tomorrow, 10 o'clock, log in to listen to Vidya Malavade. Yes.
Yes.
डॉक्टर आप
So
क्या
for
कहेंगे?
exercise, I think, yeah, I think she's a right person to go. But गर्मियों में exercise, do half your energy. If you could run 10 kilometers, reduce it to half. If you're working out for 45 minutes, make it 15 minutes. That is how we recommend workouts in summers. Do not overexhaust, do not overexert. That anything over cannot be done. You can be overly creative. That is the only thing that can happen in summers.
You
The
know, you
suns
say
give you
that,
so much of energy mentally
yeah,
that you become creative.
you become creative during summer. अच्छा,
Yeah,
मुझे
yeah.
लगता है the only creativity that I show is like cribbing. हाय बहुत गर्मी है, क्यों होती है इतनी गर्मी? और आपने तो मतलब मुझे ये कह दिया कि एक और बहाना दे दिया एक्सरसाइज ना करने का, कि मतलब एक्सरसाइज
Please
आधी कर
enjoy
दो और जो
summers.
आधी कर रहे थे वो आधी से भी कम कर देंगे, मतलब नहीं करेंगे.
So creativity comes when you read a lot, you cook nicely, you do something which is your passion. So creativity could be anywhere. You could talk nicely to somebody. So it is summer energies are good, but they can be exhausted. So I
Do
think we have almost covered everything. If
you
there
think
is
we
one
can
more
take a
question
couple
you
of
want
other
to,
questions? Do you want to take in, doctor?
please. Yes, yes, yes.
There's
Exactly.
नफीस यूनुस कह रहे हैं कि इन दिनों लिप्स बहुत सूखते हैं, क्या किया जाए?
पानी पीजिए. यू आर नॉट हाइड्रेटेड. लिप्स पे ना कोई स्वेट ग्लैंड नहीं होता है, तो दैट इज द फर्स्ट साइन दैट यू आर ड्राई फ्रॉम विद इन. सो यू
Okay.
इंश्योर दैट आप चाय कम पिए, कॉफी कम पिए. एसी में बैठे हैं तो भी यू स्वेट, सो यू ड्रिंक इनफ वाटर. हैव सूप्स. आप भारी खाना मत खाइए. डोंट हैव दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी. हैव सूप्स, हैव दाल का पानी, हैव दाल चावल, हैव कढ़ी चावल. एंड बाय द वे, गर्मियों में दही कम खाएं. दही इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड इन गर्मी.
छाछ पिए.
Charge, you can have buttermilk. That is
um,
very hydrating.
Someone's just validating that. She's saying, Rujuta keh rahi hai ki yes, it's true, I am painting in the summer. So the thing about creativity that you said, that summers bring out the creativity in people. So
Yeah.
Sonal Shah फिर से पूछ रही हैं, black raisins importance in summer.
Yes, they are. Black raisins are important throughout the year. I repeat it so often, I will repeat. It's almost repeating myself multiple times. So every person should have black raisins as antioxidants every day. So you soak 5 to 10 black raisins at night, and सुबह वो black raisins चबा के खा ले और वो पानी पी ले. The second option is up fennel and coriander tea for your good skin, hair, and entire body detox. धनिया, अक्खा साबुत धनिया,
फेनल किसको बोलते
सौंफ.
हैं? धनिया को फेनल बोलते हैं?
नहीं, धनिया को कोरिएंडर बोलते हैं,
सॉरी,
फेनल
फेनल
सौंफ
किसको
को बोलते
बोल, सौंफ को. अच्छा,
हैं. सौंफ, सौंफ, सौंफ.
ओके,
तो
सौंफ
सौंफ और
और
धनिया,
धनिया. ओके.
उसकी चाय बनाइए. इट्स वेरी फ्लेवरफुल. जब चाय बन जाए तो उसमें 4 पुदीने के पत्ते डाल दीजिए. Have that in the morning, have that in the evening. You will always have glowing skin. That is assured.
मैं इसके बाद भी फोन कर रही हूँ.
Please.
One more thing, please recommend for itchiness in face. Yes, that's quite a problem during summer.
Yes, there is itchiness because that is your skin is dry. So as I've said, hydrate within. Have a lot of nariyal pani, good juices. Pineapple juice is good. नींबू पानी. एंड आप मॉइस्चराइजर, कोई लाइट वेट मॉइस्चराइजर या एलोवेरा जेल लगाएं. अगर आपको बहुत बार इचिंग होती है तो just fits a little rose mist 2-3 times in a day. Don't wash very often. 2 ही बार शक्ल धोए. And do not use very harsh soaps. Use herbal soaps.
I think we'll be locked out very soon, doctor.
Yeah.
I think we can wind up for today and we can meet again. अगले हफ्ते हम फिर मुलाकात कर रहे हैं डॉक्टर मनीषा से. मैं रहूंगी साथ में. We are going to talk about चेहरा हो गया है. We've spoken about everything else. बचते हैं तो हमारे पाँव, मतलब feet and cracked heels even during
and
summer.
body.
Feet and body. Yeah. So we need to talk about all of that. So again, we'll meet next Saturday. I think the same time. Dr. Manisha, good for you.
Yes.
We'll meet you all again. I hope you all will join back in more Seva Skin series. And meanwhile, tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock with Vidya Malavade.
Yes. Tomorrow for yoga. Thank you so much for being with us. It was fun talking to you, Rajeshwari.
Same
We'll
here.
see you soon again. And all of you, we expect all of you to join us back with all your questions. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Bye-bye.